How to set any Spotify song as your mobile phone ringtone or caller ringtone. If you want to set your Spotify song on your caller tune, then for that, just open your Spotify app or Spotify account on your mobile phone. When you open this, then select any song that you want to set as your caller tune. Let's suppose there are so many songs. I will select one of them. So in order to select, I will click on that song. Now again click on this song to open as a full screen. Now as you can see, song has been opened. Now in order to set this as a ringtone, I will click on top right three dots. You can see at the right side there are three dots. You will click on these three dots, but you must have your premium Spotify subscription. Without Spotify subscription, you cannot download your phone. That's why you must have your Spotify subscription. So on top right side, just click on these three dots and you must have download option here if you have a premium Spotify subscription. So just download this song from there here, and after downloading, just go to your mobile phone and simply click on that song and just set that song as your caller ringtone. But you cannot set directly